Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday guys, it is the weekend baby. We made it through the week. You can kick back and relax for the weekend. I'm coming in here with a quick little video guys, nice little fish video on a Friday. Got me some nice couple of Mahi Mahi fillets right here. Gonna be doing these bad boys in the air fryer. I got these from a friend of my brother. I would send him dinner sometimes with the food that I cook on YouTube, and in return he blessed me with some nice good Mahi Mahi. And then about a couple of weeks later he just suddenly passed away. Just really just hurt me and my brother feelings, man. So we're gonna dedicate this to him today. A nice Mahi Mahi fish fry Friday. So if you're watching Mr. Gladden, this is for you, buddy. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm just mixing this fish with a little vegetable oil. That's going to help my seasonings to stick to this fish right here. Alright, so once we got that coated with a little vegetable oil, you could use olive oil if you would like. Any kind of oil will work. We're going to have to season this bad boy up. So I'm going to come in here with a little black pepper. You guys know I'm going to keep it simple. I'm not going to put a bunch of different seasonings. I just got me some black pepper right here. Out of onion powder. Gotta get me some more onion powder. I really run out of onion powder. But nonetheless, I'm gonna come and add some of this garlic powder to it. Alright, then I'll come and add some of this seasoning all over the top of it. Alright, once I get that added, then I'm going to come and add some of this Old Bay seasoning over the top of it. And we're going to go ahead and, I'm not big on Old Bay seasoning guys, but I will use it every now and then. So we go ahead and put some of that on the top. Alright, then all we're going to do is just give this a flip. We're going to season this bad boy the exact same way. And then some of that Old Bay seasoning over the top of it. Give it a nice mix. Make sure all our seasonings are all over this meat. Alright, and this is ready to go in the air fryer. Got my air fryer ready. Just gonna drop these bad boys on my rack right here. Alright, looking pretty good, nice and seasoned. I had to press the button and it wouldn't come on, so I had to unplug it and reset it. I don't know what that was about, but in any case, we got it reset. And we're gonna go ahead and hit our fish setting on this. And that's set at 350 for 10 minutes, but that's going to take a little bit longer than 10 minutes because these are pretty thick, so I kicked it up to 16 minutes. Alright, and we let it go like that, and it's going to stop at 8 minutes, and then I'll come back and give it a flip and let it finish cooking. Alright guys, so we are back at the 8-minute mark. Time to go ahead and flip these bad boys here. And I still felt it needed to be cooking a little hotter than 350, so once I got at the 8-minute mark, I bumped it up to 375. Let it go on 375 for the final 8 minutes. Alright, get that back in there. Let it go for the last 8 minutes, and when I come back, just like that, countdown is on to 0 guys, and this thing is done. Go ahead and get that out. You guys, let's see how nice and pretty this. Open it up, Kenny. What you waiting on? You waiting on a prize or something? Open this thing up. Guys, to see how this fish is just nice and pretty coming out of this air fryer here. I'm gonna pull it all the way out and bring it up closer to the camera so you can see. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, so all I'm going to do is just plate this up and take my thumbnails and videos and come back and do a taste test with this. I got a nice corn and tomato salad to go with it. Alright guys, I'm coming in with a quick taste test here. I'm going to get this thing done. It's starting to thunder on me. I'm going to go ahead and get this taste test here done. Got my nice good air fryer, Mahi Mahi. And I got me a nice tomato and corn salad with some basil, nice fresh basil and red onions, and some shaved Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna come in right quick and we're gonna try this Mahi Mahi out first. This is a big piece of Mahi Mahi, guys. This thing is thick like a nice piece of pork chop. Trying to get that other piece off of here. Here we go. Look at that nice pretty white meat. I know that's good. Give that a try first. I know that was gonna be good. Love me some nice Mahi Mahi. Nice good clean flaky fish. Seasoned perfect. Cooked perfect in that air fryer. Let's try the salad right quick. Feel the salad. See what the salad hitting for right quick. Some of that corn. You guys know I'm not no expert with a fork, but I still the corn, basil, red onions, cherry tomato. Look at that teeth. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so good. Nice crunch of that red onion. Freshness of that basil. That tomato. I love me a nice sweet cherry tomato. One more bite of that. One more bite of that. Get up there, tomatoes. I already lost it now. Telling you guys, I'm not a fork eater. I think forks are useless. Alrighty guys, so this was a nice, absolutely refreshing little meal I had today here. I had this for my lunch. Nice Mahi Mahi with a corn and tomato salad. That thing is absolutely delicious. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a blessed weekend, guys.